In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of changing AI models in the Perplexity platform, specifically focusing on trending topics. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your web browser and heading to Google. Simply type Perplexity into the search bar. Once you hit search, you should see the official Perplexity website come up as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on this link to get to the Perplexity homepage. Once you're on the Perplexity website, it's time to make a prompt. For the purpose of this walkthrough, let's explore some trending topics online. Type your prompt into the specified field provided on the site. Now that your prompt is ready, locate the section where you can select your desired AI model. Take a moment to click on this option. This should open up a selection of different models to choose from. Here, you'll want to select GPT-5. This AI model is known for its robust capabilities and is quite popular among users. After making your selection, continue by clicking on the Submit button to send your query through the chosen model. At this stage, sit back and wait for the model to process your request. This usually takes a moment, so be patient as the AI works its magic on your prompt involving trending topics. Once you've reviewed the results and are satisfied, or simply curious to see how another model might handle the same prompt, let's try experimenting with a different model. Head back to the homepage or where you have the options and click on New Thread to start a fresh session. You'll enter the same prompt again about trending topics, just like we did earlier. Follow this by navigating once more to the model selection area. This time, we're going to choose a different model, Claude Sonnet 4.5. This particular model offers unique insights, potentially providing you with a different perspective on the same prompt. Once you have made your selection, hit Submit to see how Claude Sonnet 4.5 responds to your query. And that's essentially all there is to it. You've now successfully learned how to switch between different AI models within Perplexity, testing the same prompt with varying insights. This flexibility can enhance your experience, offering new dimensions of understanding, especially with topics that are continuously evolving, like the trending topics we've focused on today. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. Don't forget to try this out yourself and explore the range of models available for diverse outcomes and deeper insights. See you in the next video.